Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how you can spy anybody's mobile. If you feel that your girlfriend is cheating on you, then this application will help you to find out the truth. So let's get started here. First of all, you have to go to your phone, and on your phone you have to open the Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome you have to type the truthspy.com, and you can scroll it down. And when you scroll it down, there is an option to download now for Android. You can click on download and it will be downloaded, and here is an option comes in download, and you can download this option, and on the top here it is getting downloading. Now this is being downloaded. You can click on that and you can open it. When you open it, you can it will ask you the settings. You can click on setting, and there is an option unknown sources. You can click on that and it will ask you to click OK and install it. Now it will take a minute to get installed on your phone. Now you can open it. When you open it, it will give you an option to click on next, and here there are some permission you have to allow them. You can click on allow like this, and now you can click on next, and this is how. Now if you are registered on this account, then you can log in. Otherwise you can register right away with a new account. So I'm gonna register here right in front of you with my email address. So you can choose a new password. You can click on create account, and now this is being registered, and you can click on activate here, and here it start configuring. It will take a minute, or you can click on straight away on this one. Now there is an option where you can hide the icon, the truth spy. You can click on this option, then only this icon, nobody can able to see this. You can click on yes and it will be hidden, right? This icon, nobody will able to see this. Now how you can crack all those things, let's go ahead and show you. I'll show you. Okay, now to check that, what you need to do, you have to go to the browser and you have to go to the same website, the truthspy.com, and you can click enter. Now it's open now, and here you can sign in there. You can click on sign in. The options will come up. You can use your email address which you have chosen there at the time of registration. You can put your password in this and log in. Now by sitting at your home, you can spy that phone, what exactly is going on that phone. So this is the Android which is here right in front of you on your screen. What exactly is going on, like all the SMS you can read, call history, you can auto answers, and Facebook, Vibers, every history you can see by sitting at your home, what is going on that phone. And the victim would not able to find out that somebody is buying his phone. Right, so let's go to the SMS here. You can click on SMS. Okay, now it's being opened now, and here you can see this one. These are the received messages which I have received on my phone. All the informations are there. These are the sent messages which I sent from my phone, and then here you can find out the call history. You can also check the call history, to whom I have called and where I received the call. Everything you will find out in this one. This is the basic version, which is a free version which you can use and find out all this information. However, there are lots of features in this the Truth Spy. If you buy this software, there are lots of features you will be finding in this one, and this will be a great option to spy anybody's mobile. If you have any questions, please write in the comments and we will get back to you. Thank you.